How to add Kava and Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add Kava coin on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this option. Click on it. Now tap on search bar and search for Kava. Once you search for Kava, now toggle this option over here. After you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage and click on Kava. You can see two options over here. Click on receive. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you can receive Kava from different crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Kava on Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.